Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah and today's video is on this warm, glamorous copper toned makeup look which is perfect for a date night and an idea for Valentine's Day for those of you who don't want to wear pink. If you'd like to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. For my eyeshadow base, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 35 and blending this evenly all over my eyelid and up to my brow bone. From the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm starting by applying the shade Roxanne to my crease in packing motions to ensure maximum pigmentation, before blending it out in windshield wiper motions and wringing the shadow out to the tail of my brow. I'm using the shade Creamsicle to soften the edges. Then going back to the shade Roxanne, I'm packing this all over my eyelid. Then, to add a bit more intensity, I'm topping this with a mixture of the shades Hunts and Jacks and again softening the edges with Creamsicle. And then I'm making a smoky liner with the shade Central Park and making sure to blend this into the other shadows. Next I'm using the McQueen New York waterproof pen eyeliner to thinly line my upper lash line. And to add a pop to my eyes, I'm lining my lower waterline with the NYX Slide-On waterproof eyeliner in the shade Glitzy Gold. I'm then going over top of that and setting it with the coppery shade from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. For lashes, I'm applying the Ardell Wispies in the style 601 Black. And I'm blending them together with my real lashes using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Then moving on to the face, for foundation I'm taking a mixture of the Fenty Pro filter in the shade 390 and the NYX Total Control drops in the shade Caramel with a ratio of 3 drops to 1 pump of foundation, and applying this using a damp beauty sponge. Using the NYX HD Concealer in the shade Caramel, I'm highlighting the high points of my face.
Isn't it you? If I saw like you, 너는 내가 너의 기억나는 것만 같은데. Isn't it you?
And then I'm carving out my forehead, cheekbones and jawline using the NYX Wonder Stick in the shade Deep, and then blending this out using a soft flat top brush. On another damp sponge, I'm taking the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Powder to bake the areas that I highlighted. And then after a few seconds, I'm dusting away the excess powder with a big fluffy brush and then setting the rest of my face with a little bit more loose powder. And then as usual, I'm taking my Glam bronzer in the shade 9 and applying this to the hollows of my cheeks and the perimeter of my face. With my sleek contour kit in medium, I'm defining my nose. And then I'm baking around the contour lines to make it a bit more precise. Whilst I'm waiting for that to bake, I'm applying a peachy blush to the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm dusting the powder away. Going back to the eyes, I'm applying the shade Roxanne to my lower lash line, followed by the shade Central Park, which I'm dragging out to the wing, and then I'm blending it out with Creamsicle. I'm using the shade Queen to highlight my tear duct and going over my beauty spot with eyeliner. I'm applying the same gold shade I used in my tear duct as my all over face highlight to my cheekbones, brow bone, forehead, bridge of my nose and the sides of my chin. Back to my eyes again briefly, I'm applying the same mascara to my lower lashes. And then for the lips, I'm lining them first with the NYX Slide On Lip Pencil in the shade Urban Cafe. And then from the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, I'm filling them in with the brown shade in the top right corner. Then I'm topping this with the Colourpop Ultra Satin Liquid Lipstick in the shade Tansy to create my desired lip combo. And finally, to set everything in place, I'm spraying my MAC Fix Plus setting spray, followed by my Skindinavia bridal spray. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like and a comment below. And if you want to see more videos from me, then please subscribe and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!